Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Guide. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to delete your Instagram account. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Instagram app. So here it is. Now click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner and click on three light icon on the top right corner. Now let's click on settings and click on help. Now we need to click on help center over here. Now in the top right corner we can see this three line icon over here. So let's tap on this and click on manage your account. Now we can see this option called delete your account. Simply tap on this. And if you want to delete your account, go and click on delete your Instagram account over here and follow the following steps. After which the account will finally be deleted. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.